Right, folks, welcome to the Wood Junker. I'm going to do one of these videos each week with little bits of tools that might come in super useful, that are low cost for beginner woodworkers, all this kind of stuff that I'm going to use myself or I'm using, that you can buy off Amazon, Lidl, Aldi. I'll just have a scour around and bring you some good deals, what I think are good deals anyway. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not already have, and watch all our main videos on a Wednesday and on a Sunday where I'm either building something or Shelley, now who's pinching all my tools and into everything, is making stuff, and she's doing a good job. Right, so first one I'll get into is this. It is like, for getting your drill straight into making holes straight and everything. This comes in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 millimetre. I don't know what they are in inches. I couldn't find one in inches, but I'm over here in the UK and all I can buy is metric drill bits. I have to hunt about for Imperial. It's got a nice little spirit level on it there. It's got a nice groove here so you can sort of like cut pipes, not cut pipes, drill into pipes. And the ends feel, it's like an hardware in plastic, and the ends feel rubberized, so you've got quite control, and you can pop it up on the wall there if you want. Now, something that you're not going to use every day, but it's always something really useful, and the price will be up on the screen anyway, but for sort of less than £10, that's an absolute bargain. So in my eyes, that's a must-have. I've often struggled and I'm snap bits sometimes, so that will come in really handy, good use. So I would suggest one of them. Second thing on my list are these little steel picks, all different shapes and sizes there, different edges. Now, you can get sort of pick sets, really inexpensive, but these are steel ones, and you get a good variety in there, and you get sort of 10 sizes. So if, for glue-ups and you want to get into little corners to get excess glue out, or the glue's dried and you want to pick it out, stuff like that, or if you're doing furniture up and you've put bits of wax into little cracks and stuff and you just want to scrape it back a bit, they're ideal. They're super useful. In my antiques business, I had some. These are a new sort of set I've just bought, but I did have some. I don't know where my other set had gone, and I used them loads of times in that respect. But these for glue ups now, invaluable, really. So, good value for money. They're steel. I don't know if they're stainless steel, but they're good. So anyway, there you go. That's that one. You can get all these on Amazon, by the way. The links are all in the description. I'm not sponsored. I get a little bit of kickback if you buy some of these tools because it's an associate's link. But I'm not why I'm doing it. I'm doing it for content, and I'm doing it for my subscribers that want sort of inexpensive, low cost, half decent stuff. So third on my list is this. You've seen me using this, and I'm going to come back to it. Little utility knife, Timco fold out knife. Now the body of it's all steel, and it's got like a rubberized sort of grip round here. Easy mechanism to fold it there. Folds in. It's nice and solid, and it's a good weight in the hand. Now you could pay more for the brand, the big branded sort of stuff. I've had a look at them, and I've had one of them in the past. And to be perfectly honest, this one's a lot better. I could have bought one of them and told you about that, but I want to tell you about this because it's sort of like half the price of the more branded ones, and I think this is better. It comes with a set of 10 blades. So you've got 10 blades there. It hasn't got onboard storage and anything like that. But is that a gimmick, onboard storage? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I know some guys love the fact that you can store blades within the tool. But to me, it doesn't really matter. And to like the beginner woodworker, and you're chopping up boxes or opening packets and things like that, it's super useful. I use it all the time. All the time. It gets used every single day, and it's good quality. And again, less than £10. And that's that one, Timco. You won't go wrong with that one, seriously. Right, next on my list is this. Now, I paid a bit more money for this, and I want one. You've probably seen me making sort of jigs and using the table saw a lot. Now, one of the things I was struggling with was making sort of splines for the boxes, the mitered corners, that kind of thing, or cutting down really thin strips for some more delicate furniture that I want to try and make. So I thought I'd buy one of these. I've never had one before. Now, for the money, you'll see it's probably come up on the screen already, or it's about to. It's solid aluminium. You've got like inches on that side, and you've got metric on the other side. Now, from what I can believe, you don't really relate to them, so I'd measured it off the table. But it's a nice solid bit of kit, nice and sturdy, solid aluminium, comes well packaged. I think that's going to get a lot of use because I want to start making some nice decorative boxes, and I want to put splines and, you know, some of the furniture I'm making, I want to make sort of slender, sleek. So if I want like sort of thin strips of wood, I know I'm going to be a bit safer with this. I know it's a little bit more money than sort of I'd like to pay for it, but the quality's there and it's going to last. It's got like a bearing on the front, 2 knobs here to make it go forward and backwards, and that's the bit that slides into your mitre slot of your table saw. So that's that. Thin rip jig. Good bit of kit. It'll come in handy. So last but not least is this. Now, I'm fortunate on my DeWalt mitre saw, job site saw. It come to me, it was spot on, but lately I've noticed it sometimes it can just go out. So just to get the 45s right, what I want, or any angle on it, use this digital measuring device. So, you know, you on or off switch. There, it says error, but let's put it down there. So you zero it out, and then you put it on your blade, and, you know, you move your blade and it'll tell you which angle you're at. So, you know, good bit of kit, nice thing, really useful. And I have checked it against, when I've used it on the table saw, I have checked it against something I know is 100% 45, and it's spot on. It's been spot on with all the angles. I was a bit sceptical of it being sort of like digital. That's just me being an old fart, really. But it seems to do the job, and it does the job really well. It comes in a protective case. This is the Trend brand. I find Trend stuff not too bad. Some of it's not too good, but this seems to be okay, and it's value for money. Comes in its case. You can put it away, and that's that. And I think that is it. So if you want any of these, make sure you hit the links down below. If there's any questions you want to ask me, please feel free to ask me the questions. But they're all there. I will bring you one of these videos. I'll try and do it once a week. If not, it'll be once every fortnight. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Watch Shelley's videos. She's sort of gone from sort of zero start, and she's doing some good things. She's liking all the comments. She's loving all the support you're giving her. I'm loving all the support you're giving me. And let's go forward together, and don't forget, subscribe. Thank you very much.